Hello, good morning friends. Today I have prepared one puncture with my this puncture repairing toolkit. You already have seen this in my channel. So I want to share with you one trick or the correct method. Okay, so see, here is that puncture I have just repaired. If you are alone on the road and need to repair the puncture, side stand the bike and put a brake or something under this rear wheel, okay, and first totally empty the air from inside the tire, else whenever you are trying to push it like this, it will spring back. Okay, it will spring back. So if inside is totally empty, only then the needle will pass through it very easily. Okay, so this is the trick I am sharing with you. You see, I put a brake under this rear wheel on while it was on side stand. As you are pushing it, the bike will go forward, so stop that movement and then your job will be very easy. So thank you for watching. Please do share these tips or tricks with your friends and others, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.